Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to cast Meta Quest to Firestick. Let's go. Open Play Store or App Store. Find and install Meta Quest app. Open Meta Quest app. Menu. Connect new device. Choose and connect your device. Casting. Open display and sounds. Enable display mirroring. Turn on-screen mirroring on your phone. Your phone and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Start cast. If you are using iPhone, use the airscreen app. That's it. Now you know how to cast Meta Quest to Firestick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.